Google's done it again. This new NotebookLM update is absolutely next level. You can now use AI to turn your notes, files, and YouTube videos into full-blown podcasts, mind maps, and reports, all 100% free. I'll show you 10 insane ways to use these features to work smarter and learn faster. And hey, join our free AI creator community below for exclusive tools and behind-the-scenes resources. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most powerful features. Discover sources from Google Drive. NotebookLM can now search your drive for hidden gems inside your docs, slides, and PDFs. Say, I want to find all the text-to-image prompts only inside the files. I just type, find all text-to-image prompts inside my documents. Instantly, it pulls every file filled with creative prompts, even ones buried deep in old folders. Then I ask, organize these prompts by visual style, cinematic, fantasy, product, and portrait. NotebookLM instantly compiles them into a clean, ready-to-use collection. Perfect for your next AI art or animation project. That alone saves hours of digging through folders. Next up, the mind map feature. Once your prompt packs are loaded, just type, create a mind map connecting my storytelling themes, character styles, and camera angles. Boom, NotebookLM turns your creative chaos into a visual map of ideas. You can click through and see every scene idea or motion cue connected like a flowchart. It's perfect for planning animated shorts or long-form story projects. Number 3, use NotebookLM as your animation skill coach. I'm currently learning to master tools like Runway, Haluo, and Design AI. So I ask, find advanced tutorials on cinematic text-to-video, stylized motion, and seamless transitions. Then I import them and tell NotebookLM, generate a learning roadmap for mastering cinematic AI animation. It breaks everything down into an 80-20 sequence, from prompt design, motion timing, color storytelling, output polish. This is how you go from beginner to studio quality creator fast. And if you want more training breakdowns like this, we share full prompt workflows inside the community hub, links below. 4, the credibility booster. If you're teaching or making tutorials about AI tools, you'll love this. Tell NotebookLM. Find recent articles, user reviews, or expert opinions on text-to-video generators. Then follow up with, summarize what makes each platform best for different animation styles. It gives you verified insights you can use in your videos. Real data, not just hype. Turn that into a professional voiceover script or AI podcast overview, and you've got content ready to post.
Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're really opening up the source stack on something huge, AI video generation.
It was moving so fast.
Exactly. We're looking deep into the big players, OpenAI's Sora.
Number 5, use it for client or collaborator onboarding. Let's say you're working with a team of editors, animators, or voice artists. Upload your creative brief, brand guide, and animation templates. Then prompt, create a friendly video overview, explaining our visual style, workflow, and goals. NotebookLM builds a clear, narrated explainer video. Now every new collaborator knows your animation pipeline. No endless back-and-forth emails.
Get it? They somehow managed to cut through all the clutter and make really complex stuff feel incredibly simple. Well, today, we're doing a deep dive into a brand that has absolutely mastered this, AI TLDR. They've built
6, the Creative Memory Podcast. Every month, I drop my rough ideas, prompts, and finished animations into a notebook called AI Experiments 2025. Then I ask, generate a podcast-style summary where 2 AI hosts discuss the highlights of my recent projects. It's like having a show recap your creative journey. And honestly, it's a great way to reflect and find your best ideas for future videos.
If you've spent any serious time creating visuals using generative AI, whether that's, still images or increasingly video, you absolutely know the true nightmare challenge: consistency.
Oh, yeah.
You can nail one spectacular shot, right? but then ask the system to render that same...
This next one's underrated. The pitch practice partner. If you're presenting a new Faceless series idea or pitching to sponsors, drop your deck and script into NotebookLM. Then prompt, act out a debate between a skeptical investor and a passionate creator about why this show will work. It builds an audio overview where two voices argue. It's hilarious and incredibly useful for refining your pitch.
Welcome back to the deep dive. Okay, so if you're a content creator, or maybe you're working for a brand in, well, today's world, you've got this one huge challenge, right? How do you capture real...
8. Use NotebookLM as your style auditor. Upload your previous animation scripts, thumbnails, and video titles. Prompt. Identify my recurring creative themes, tone, and visual style, and where my brand feels inconsistent. NotebookLM gives you a full creative breakdown so you can stay on brand and recognizable across all your videos. 9. The Competitor Command Center. Ask, find recent text-to-video projects, promo reels, or AI short films from creators in my niche. Import them and say, compare their storytelling hooks, pacing, and style direction. NotebookLM builds a full analysis timeline, showing what's trending and what gaps you can fill next. That's how you stay ahead of the AI content curve. And finally, the Shared Notebooks feature. You can now share a notebook like a Google Doc, but smarter. Choose whether people can view, edit, or just chat with it. Perfect for collaborative projects like AI music videos, motion packs, or animation challenge hubs.
And that's just 10. I've got 20 more wild NotebookLM use cases for AI video, animation, and faceless content, all linked below. Totally free. Join our AI creator community to share prompts, test new tools, and grow your faceless channel faster. Next up, we're trying Google's Nano Banana project. Bright, cinematic, and absolutely crazy. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you there.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.